You guessed it. Tonight is a date night for myself. No boys allowed. As you can see, that boy called my phone. I said, you gotta go. It's my day. And today we're gonna be getting ready. And the best part about it, you already know, we are gonna be in space. Yes. My favorite way to get ready, especially for a solo date, I'm gonna be so relaxed and so chill. Grab some snacks, take a look at these shoes, and let's get started.
This part, you ain't gotta say a word. Girlfriend on the sound of my song. My voice be like you on all fours. Say she's come and see me on tour. I got a hoodie full of groupies. They want it out. Yeah, I know it's late. Only want to see you. I talk about you. Why the fuck you got two phones? Nigga, what you doing on that other line? Mama, big mama, and out. Yeah. You make more time for your homies. Hit me when you feeling lonely. Please, mentally, you'd meet all my friends. Take up all my plans. At least you put on the front when you're listening. With my baby, if I want you beef, spread it wide for days. It's for you. Come let's this for you. Mommy, all the bags that I want.
I can't even talk normal. Wow. That definitely almost took my ass out. That's why you don't smoke, kids. Shit.
I like my men so spoken, but real love with their wallet. I ain't shaping my legs for you no more. My cars don't need a bang no more. Should've heard my friends when they all swore. I gotta fix my front before you try and take a picture with me. Stay moisturized with the teardrops. Now cry, cry, cry just as much as I don't want. It's a soft girl summer. Yeah, the boys get done.
What? You're crazy.
But you only call me when you're alone. Places we eat. What the fuck is your
Oh my gosh. That's crazy. I was not expecting that to happen.
What the fuck is a lug nut? She looks at me like I ain't got no brain to know my kids. If you really love me, stay. I ain't good enough, no, then I can't stay. You found that I ain't good enough. Keeping up the lies was it. He got me crazy like my forehead. Way deeper than the creases in my new braids. Cut me, don't cut up today. I think I'll make it mine. Make me love me, don't need to slow down. Come over, make you rise and be the perfect wife you show off. Couch wrapped up in vinyl, rolling weed up with the very last page of the Bible. I'm a girl's girl, rock your
Alright, y'all. So at this point in the video, I believe this is kind of where I stopped playing the music. So this is my chance to talk to you guys. I'm looking at myself like that because that contour was looking a little crazy, but we're not done yet, okay? I'm going to go ahead and do the finishing touches on my makeup, which you guys kind of already know. We do this in almost every video. This includes just setting the rest of our face, completing our nose contour, snack a little more. Girl was hungry. Y'all, I gotta stop eating once a day. Like, I don't know. It's my fault that I've lost so much weight. Aside from the stress, I gotta do better. Tea. I just started drinking tea about a month ago, and let me tell you guys, it has been doing so good on my tummy. If you want to be small, bitch, that's what you gotta do. You gotta drink your tea every motherfucking morning. I'm so sorry, y'all. I tried to do my wing liner on camera, but I got a little scared. I was really going for a super thick wing today. I actually was gonna do a red lip. But I said, girl, let's just do something a little more mellow. I wanted to try the nude color because red started to scare me a little bit. I don't know, maybe it's because I was already wearing red and I just felt like it was going to be a little too much. So yeah, for the finishing touches, choo. Girl, I want you to say one time in this video that you saw me with food in my mouth. Yes, okay? Stay girly, stay up to tea. We don't play. I have food in my mouth the whole end of the video and y'all ain't see it once, okay? Even in private, we practice that etiquette. These are the new Milani lipsticks I got. This is the color that we're going to be trying today. I'm sorry guys, we're going to do the red another day. I was just a little too nervous. But this color was super pretty, and at first, as you guys can see the swatch test, I thought it was going to be dark. I put it on the lip and it was like a perfect nude. It was like maybe a little paler than my actual lip color. I fell in love with it. I started doing this thing where I blend everything out with a Q-tip. So once I put it on, I blend it with a Q-tip because I feel like it makes your lips look plumper when it blends into the lip liner. Look at that. Kissable, suckable, lickable. Then you already know we're going to go ahead and go in with our Beauty Marks highlighter. And I think that's pretty much it for the look.
Sassy with it. I'm like, okay.
Cat.
Whoa. Don't mess with me, bitch. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Like that. Okay. That's what you.
What you looking for? It's the gray one that zips. From the store where she had to say when I pulled the shit, she's like, oh my god, I've never seen that. Like, girl. Yeah, I'm like, okay, you doing too much. You're doing too much. The fuck? Today's video, I really wanted to focus on self-care, self-love. It's Valentine's Day, and we don't always gotta get cute for a man. We don't always gotta get cute because there's a girl outside. Like, girl, get up, do that makeup, beat that face, be the boss that you are. And so that's really what inspired me to do this video today. I wanted to feel like a queen, a boss, some makeup therapy, and a more relaxed setting. So that's what we've got here today. So I'm going to see you guys in just a second in the bathroom, and we're going to go ahead and get everything finished up. And I'm so excited. So stay tuned. We're going to get dressed and everything together. And y'all, even though I already ate, we going to act like I did it. And we still going out to eat, okay? So I will see you guys there.
What did I do to deserve you? Calm down. Bodies that you caught before, they don't make me mad or insecure.
I should've known better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time, thinking about the things that we did. You did something, but shit like this don't happen too often. It's the way you put it down. Although when no one else around, got me taking a step on the outside, cutting all ties with them other guys. Where you look in my eyes, cover me nice and slow. You made me wanna go to just to put it down on you. You made me wanna replay all of the things that you let me witness. You made me wanna go to just to put it down on you. You made me wanna replay all of the things that you let me witness.
Anything happens between us, be sure you 10 toes down before I pull out the car. And the only thing that's coming beside me at the situation is you waiting to get some more. I told you I'ma take your place, I seen it in your face, and I knew that you would say it. So how you wanna play this? Yeah, you got somebody I've been in this predicament. Don't trip. I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. You like to put that shit in your nose.